Oh, hi there. Today I want to talk to you about AQ's EFETE training. EFETE training provides you with certification endorsed by AQ Talent Lab and recommendation letters written by high-caliber trainers. This curriculum provides you with hands-on future skills as well as industry-specific knowledge. Each topic was actually handpicked and developed by us to increase your competitiveness in the future job market. Now let's talk about business English. By and large, we can all speak English with decent proficiency, but business English is about expressing yourself in a courteous and professional manner. Our trainer are Ivy League graduates from an ex-executive background. We strive to raise standards in how we communicate in English as a professional. Financial literacy. Now, in this volatile and ever-changing market, it is more important than ever to have basic investment and wealth management skills. Our trainer in financial literacy are ex-bankers who usually give advice to ultra-high net worth clients. And through our videos, you will learn basic finance and wealth management tips so that you can easily discuss financial markets as well as wealth management. EQ at work. So I've often said that the difference between a very well-liked colleague and the member in the team that you kind of dread hanging out with is EQ. Having proper etiquette at work can really open up doors for you that you could never have imagined. Our trainers are psychologists and business coaches who can provide you with proper conduct on how you should behave at work and communicate with your managers and your peers alike. Tech literacy. In the future job market, no matter what you do, technology is going to be a huge part of it. Understanding technology is going to be as fundamental as knowing your ABCs. In this curriculum, you will learn about major technological trends and how they're applied to different industries through tech experts and industry experts. Entrepreneurship. Now, being entrepreneurial doesn't necessarily mean you have to start your own business. In an organization, we also need skill sets like innovative thinking, problem-solving skills, and even leadership. In this module, you hear about successful career stories and hands-on business tips from senior executives and entrepreneurs alike. Learning with AQ is not bound by geographic limits or time. With AQ, you can learn anytime, anywhere.